Hey, listen, what you need is only 10 minutes a day to create a meaningful content. Stop making excuses, because what you are doing now, you still have 10 minutes every day to spare, either on chats or watching movie or watching comedy or whiling away time. There is no way you will not have 10 minutes in your day, because you have 24 hours and 10 minutes can get you meaningful content. So how do you do that? Number one, make sure that you have time to write out things early in the morning or late in the evening. Then within your day, that's something you've written that maybe with your pen and paper, read it out if you want to do a voice note as a content or you want to shoot a quick video. Just look at that and create a video for 10 minutes every day. Then in the night, make out another 2 minutes to make a post or schedule the post. There is no way you can keep making excuses that you don't have something to put out there. You can even tell us the food you ate in the morning or tell us how your work went. Just 2 minutes, 3 minutes video could get you far, far above your competitors in your industry.